Hi everyone and welcome back to DidyToys channel. Today we'll crochet this adorable ball. You can make it a back charm or you can also use a thinner yarn to make it a keychain as well. You can also decorate your car or just use it as a simple toy. The pattern is quite easy, beginner friendly, but you need a bit of patience because you'll need to crochet a lot of small pieces and then join them together. But the sewing part is quite easy as well, you just need to connect the edges together. So, what will you need to crochet a ball like that? I used two colors of plush yarn, black and white, 4mm crochet hook, scissors to cut the tails, a plastic sewing needle to weave in the tails, some fiber fill to stuff the ball, a metal needle and a thin white yarn to sew the pieces together, some stitch markers if you use them, and a keychain base if you want to make it a keychain or a back charm, as well as pliers to attach it. That's it! Let's start crocheting! I'll first show you how to crochet the white details. You'll need to crochet 20 in total. I'll make a note to start crocheting, and after that I'll make a chain of 2 stitches, 1, 2. You may also make a magic circle if you find it convenient. So 2 chain stitches. Now I'll crochet 6 single crochets into the second stitch from the hook. If you make a magic circle, you need to crochet 6 single crochets into magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The first round is ready. Now we need to crochet one more round and we'll make 6 increases in total, and you should have 12 stitches. So that's the first increase. We crochet 2 single crochets in one stitch of the previous round. So 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Now increase number 2, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 3, 1 and the second single crochet into the same stitch. Now increase number 4, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 5, 1, 2 into the same stitch, and the last increase, which is number 6, 1 and 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. The round is ready. You should have 12 stitches in total. Now I'll make a slip stitch to connect the edges, and the first detail is ready. Now cut the tail. Now I'll cut the tail here, and I will also fasten and weave in the second tail. I'll use a plastic needle for that. So first I'll make a knot to fasten. And now I'll insert the needle through the stitches to weave the tail in. I'll cut the remaining tail. And the first white detail is ready. So you need to crochet 20 in total. So make the remaining details following the same pattern. Now we'll crochet the black details. Again, I'll make a knot to start and then 2 chain stitches, 1, 2. Again, you can start by a magic circle if you find it convenient. Now I'll crochet the first round, which is 5 single crochets into the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. The first round is ready. Now we crochet the second round, which is 5 increases. So you need to crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch around. That's the first increase, 1, and the second single crochet into the same stitch. Now increase number 2, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 3, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 4, 1, 2 into the same stitch, and the last increase for the round, which is number 5, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Again, I'll make a slip stitch to connect the edges. Now I'll cut the thread and pull it through the loops to fasten. I'll use again a plastic needle to weave in the tail. First a knot to fasten, and then just weave in the tail. And I'll cut it as well as the first one. The first black detail is ready, and you need to make 12 black details in total. So 20 white ones and 12 black ones. I've already made all the details which I'll need for one ball, 12 black and 20 white ones. I just need to fasten off and weave in all the tails remaining. So, all the details are ready, now I need to sew them. I'll take a thinner yarn and a sewing needle. I'll place one of black details in the center, and I'll need to attach the first round of white details, 5 in total. So we need to sew all the details together and you'll get something similar to a flower. I'll insert the needle through back loops only while sewing. And one more stitch. The edges here are sewn. Now I'll move back to the bottom of this white detail so I can attach it to the black one. The third white detail, and we just continue sewing them one by one till we finish the first round. So the first round is attached, a black detail in the middle and 5 white details around. Now we need to attach a black detail here between the 2 white ones. Now, a white detail. Now a black detail again. Now again a white detail, then a black one, and so on till you get to the end of the second round. I've almost finished the round. I need to sew just one white detail here. I finished sewing the second row and I'll start the next one by white piece. Then the black one, then the white again, after that the black one, and so on till you get to the end of the row. Almost finished the round. I need to sew one more detail and connect the edges here. I finished the row and that's almost it. I've got 5 more white pieces and just one black detail. I'll first sew all the white pieces one by one. That's almost the end. Just one piece left. But before I sew it, I need to stuff the ball. I stuff it quite tight, so it has a perfect round shape. Now I'll just sew the last piece. I want to add some more stuffing before I finish sewing the last side. After sewing, I fasten off and weave in the tail. The ball is ready. Now just attach a keychain basis to make it a back charm. Your ball back charm is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it with me. Thanks for watching. Follow DidyToys for more Amigurumi tutorials and crochet hacks. Don't forget to like and comment. See you!